Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use QuickBooks for a cleaning business. But before doing this, you have to make sure that you have a plan before you could actually uh, have the full access of QuickBooks online. And once you've ensured that you have the correct plan or the full version of the website, you will just have to log into your QuickBooks online and go ahead and click your settings, and then you will look for company settings or something like this. So it really depends on the layout or terminology that your version has. So once you see company settings or something like that, you will just have to click add customers and then click cleaning clients. Then you will set up the services or the products, and then you will go ahead and click cleaning packages and then create invoices and recurring invoices for regular clients, and you will just have to track payments and expenses, and you will use reports to monitor profit. And by the way, you could also use QuickBooks mobile app so that you will be able to record jobs on site for easier bookkeeping. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.